Hello, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video today, and it's the same demo video. It's to accompany our Etsy listing for this beautiful shamanic drum here, which I have birthed recently and is now available to go up to find its new guardian. Okay, so it's a horse skin shamanic drum. It's on an ashwood frame. The frame is 16 inches in diameter. If I turn it over, the lacing on the back here is artificial sinew. It's artificial sinew in the hoop as well, but I've bound this with some wool. These are beechwood dowels here that I put in the center here for the handle to form this beautiful crossed 4 directions. A little bit of leather in the middle there as a trim, just to finish that off and make it more comfortable to hold. On the inside of the drum, I put in some information. So it's birthed on the 29th of January in Knighton Palace, UK. That's to enable you to look up at the astrological aspects for the drum and find out the energies that were around on the day when this drum was birthed. My maker's mark there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. And I've also put in there ash and horse. So you've always got a reference for the animal and for the tree that went to make this beautiful drum. Okay, the purpose of this video really is to have a listen. I'm going to play with a firmer beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, so hopefully you'll discern the difference between the two. Either of those are available to purchase alongside the drum as well. Okay, here we go. This is the firmer beater. Okay, and then if I can find it, it's in my back pocket somewhere, the softer beater. Lovely long resonance. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's extremely difficult, so that's why I make these little videos, so you can come along and have a listen. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.